equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft brush for cleaning. Start by unplugging your Dyson V15 and removing the dustbin. This will give you better access to the motor compartment. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the motor cover. There are typically 4 screws located around the perimeter of the cover. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the motor cover off, taking care not to damage any clips. Now, you will see the motor assembly. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris from the area. Use the soft brush to clear out any buildup, ensuring optimal performance once the new motor is installed. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help. With the area clean, locate the motor's electrical connector. Carefully disconnect it by pulling it straight out. Next, you will need to remove the screws holding the motor in place. There are usually 3 screws securing the motor to the base. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws, and keep them with the others. Once the screws are out, gently lift the motor out of its housing. Be cautious as there may be some resistance due to the seals. If you encounter any difficulty, double-check that all screws have been removed. After successfully removing the old motor, take a moment to inspect the housing for any signs of wear or damage. Now, it's time to install the new motor. Place the new motor into the housing, ensuring it fits snugly. Reinsert the screws you previously removed to secure the motor in place. Make sure to tighten them adequately, but avoid over-tightening as this can damage the motor. Next, reconnect the electrical connector to the new motor. Ensure it clicks into place securely. After this, it's time to replace the motor cover. Align it properly and press down gently until it snaps into place. Reinsert the screws to secure the cover, ensuring it is firmly attached. Finally, reattach the dustbin and plug your Dyson V15 back in. Turn it on to test the new motor. If everything is working correctly, you should notice improved suction and performance. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert advice without any pressure. For those who prefer not to tackle this themselves, we also offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. With our services, you can enjoy the convenience of no calls, no travel, and hassle-free repairs right at your doorstep. Now you're ready to enjoy your Dyson V15 with its new motor. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.